What's the meaning of capital radio? Capital radio. Capital radio.
Capital radio. Capital radio. Capital radio refers to a commercial radio station that broadcasts across multiple regions in the United Kingdom. The station is part of the Global Media Group and primarily plays contemporary hit music, as well as providing news and entertainment content. Capital Radio was first launched in London in 1973 and has since expanded to cover other major cities, such as Manchester, Liverpool, and Birmingham. As one of the leading radio brands in the UK, Capital Radio attracts a large audience and is known for its popular flagship breakfast show hosted by Roman Kemp.